in the beautiful town of Perry, Florida, located on Florida's Big Bend coastline. We're at Big Bend Technical College. In this rural community, we service about 6 different counties.
1, 2, 3.
Today we celebrate not just a ribbon cutting, but the cutting open of new pathways for students, for families, and for the future of our community.
We're proud to have our ribbon cutting of our Industrial Engineering Technology program in our Advanced Manufacturing facility.
This new class is going to really promote our community as far as job growth, job opportunities. In this class, we have electrical components where they can learn electrical. We have pneumatics, we have hydraulics in here, we have motor configuration. We have a lot of equipment in here for our growth.
After the closure of our largest employer, we brought all of our stakeholders together, and they say, we need somebody who can do a little bit of welding, a little bit of millwright, a little bit of E&I, someone who's a jack of all trades. That's where this program was born.
We live in a knowledge-based economy. A knowledge-based economy rewards skills and skill acquisition. Advanced manufacturing is literally on fire. There are not enough individuals to fill the openings, and you all have the best, newest facility in Taylor County.
I would also like to thank Operation Next, powered by Lyft. Representatives from BBTC had the opportunity to visit Detroit and see what is possible, which helped inspire this vision for advanced manufacturing training right here.
Lyft is the National Manufacturing Innovation Institute focused on materials and advanced manufacturing processes. What you see here has been inspired by our facility in Detroit, our learning lab, and our partnership with Amatrol. Most of this equipment in here is inspired by either by Amatrol's work across industry or with our partnership through our Ignite program. So what you see is a facility that will serve young people well into the future in advanced manufacturing skilled trades.
We do have a lot of interest, especially with the students walking through. They can see all the new equipment and it just piques their interest.
It's pretty cool because I never have turned a wrench a day in my life. So coming here must definitely have showed me a different side of the construction, and just being a part of this is actually cool.
With the Amatrol trainers, it is a lot easier for our students to get an idea of what a piece of machinery might look like in the field. We can come in here and train them on what does A and B do, and they can actually see it and watch stuff move and watch it operate.
Businesses are going to say, I'm interested in Taylor County because I know they've got the facilities, they've got the infrastructure, they've got the talent that we need to grow our business.
Honestly, walking in here today was pretty emotional. I was at the groundbreaking last March. Sure as heck, they built it in 9 months, and it's pretty amazing that they're going to be impacting young people that quick and all at once. And the love that these folks have of this community and the dedication they have to it, and the ability to reach out to partners across the nation to be able to bring this to fruition is pretty amazing.